Hello, welcome back once again. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Please also like, comment and share. Here we have a very nice interesting problem here, which is involving the radical signs. Right here we have the square root of x plus the square root of y is equal to 5. And also the square root of the product of x and y is also 5. And right over here we're asked to find the value of this expression x minus y. Right? Okay, I find this problem very interesting. That is the reason why I made the video, so that you all can see how I approach this problem. But if you have similar solution or you have another way around to solve this problem, so you can drop it at the comment section. I will go through it, right? But right over here, I'm going to show you guys my own solution to this problem. Okay, from equation 1 here, we have the square root of x plus the square root of y. This is equal to 5. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to square both sides of this equation. So here I'm going to have square root of x plus the square root of y squared. This is equal to 5 squared, right? So if you expand this binomial here, make use of this property, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, right? So if you make use of this property here, we're going to have here the square root of x squared plus the square root of y squared, then plus 2 times square root of x times square root of y, and this is equal to 25, right? Okay, so from here we all know this square and square root cancel out, square and square root cancel out. So here we have x plus y, then plus here we have 2. Okay, right over here, record this property again, square root of a times the square root of b. So this is going to be equal to the square root of a times b, right? Okay, from here we're going to have the square root of x times y, and this is equal to 25. But from the original problem here, we have this value for the square root of x times y, right? So right over here, we're going to plug in 5. So here we're going to have x plus y plus here 2 times 5, and this is equal to 25, right? So here we have x plus y. This is equal to 25 minus, here 2 times 5 is 10, right? So here we have 10, and this is going to give us 15. So from here we have x plus y is equal to 15. Okay, but we're not done with the problem. The problem actually asks us to evaluate x minus y, right? But from here we have x plus y. So from here, I'm going to square both sides again. So here we have x plus y squared. This is equal to 15 squared. Okay, from the left, I'm going to use this interesting property. We have a plus b squared. This is equal to a minus b squared plus 4 times a times b. So I'm going to make use of that property from the left. So here we're going to have x minus y squared, then plus 4xy. So this is equal to 15 squared is 225, right? Okay, so from here we have x minus y squared, then plus here 4xy. Okay, but from the original problem here, so what we have here is the square root of x times y is equal to 5, right? So we can actually square both sides to get the value for x times y. So if you square both sides, you know the square root and the square will cancel out. We just have the value for xy, which is 5 squared, which is 25, right? So let us put it down somewhere here, that x times y is equal to 25. Okay, so from here we're going to have 4 times 25, and this is equal to 225. Okay, now let's continue from here. Okay, from here we have x minus y squared plus 4 times 25, that is 100, and this is equal to 225. Right, so we're going to subtract 100 from both sides. So here we have x minus y squared. This is equal to 225 minus 100. That is going to give us 125, right? So we're going to take the root of both sides, right? So from here, we're going to have x minus y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 125. But we need to simplify this sort, right? So this is going to be plus or minus the square root of 25 times 5, right? So we get x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 25, that is 5, then root 5. And this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please also like, comment, and share. Bye bye.